If you want to become debt-free, just call Credit Counselors Corporation and remove your financial burden. Get debt-free with CCC. Call 253-4000.
Many people in debt counseling can trace the beginning of their debt problems to a new car purchase. Too much car, big monthly payment, and financed for too long. Some households even have two vehicles with large payments in the $400 to $500 range. The typical line of thinking is, I got a really great deal. But with the budget maxed out, one can see how this burden can inevitably lead to a financial crisis. It's easy to start falling behind when you don't have the money for car repairs and the car isn't paid off. How much car can you really afford? You may think you got a great deal on the new SUV parked in the driveway. After all, the dealer took $2,000 off the sticker price because of the points you accumulated on your credit card. You wanted it because you want to impress your neighbors or even yourself. The best deal is one that you can actually afford and one that suits your needs. Several factors have to be looked at in order to make a smart purchase. Monthly payment. Financial experts recommend spending no more than 15% of your monthly take-home pay for a car payment. If your budget is tight, a more conservative number like 8% is more appropriate. Term of the loan. According to the Federal Reserve, the average auto loan term has been creeping up over the years. In 1998, the typical car loan was a 4-year term, and now lenders offer up to 6-year terms. It certainly lowers your monthly payment and may help you reach that 8% goal. However, it doesn't come without costs. Obviously, you'll pay a lot more for the car because of the interest. But if you want or need to sell, chances are you'll owe more than the car is worth. It takes a lot longer to build equity if you have a long-term loan. It's better to figure out what you can afford based on a 3 or 4-year loan at the most, or you might consider buying a used car for cash. Interest rate. Shop around for the best rate before negotiating with the dealer. If the dealer offers incentives such as 0% financing or cash back, do the math and base your decision on the outcome. Your own budget. How much debt do you already have, and will you be able to afford the cost of ownership, taking into account the insurance, gas, and maintenance? If you already have a car loan, don't be tempted to roll the debt over into the new loan. This will really create more problems, especially if the car is totaled or stolen. What you can do. To make wiser decisions regarding vehicle purchases, evaluate your needs rather than your wants. Most people do indeed need a car for transportation, but a new car is really a luxury. Seeing your car as a status symbol also contributes to overbuying. Lastly, just because the lender approved a larger loan doesn't mean it's good for your budget.
If you want to become debt-free, call Credit Counselors Corporation and remove your financial burden. CCC makes it possible to have one easy, affordable payment and also eliminate late charges. CCC has helped thousands of good people like you reduce their interest by as much as 50%. Enroll by phone or on the web. Takes about 15 minutes. Remember, the call and the interview are free. Get debt-free with CCC. Call 253-4000.